Hello and welcome to my tutorial on fitting anchors. So in this tutorial I've already imported a stool. If I press play here, let's let this load in real quick. Here we go. We'll go into our play mode and currently the stool does nothing. It's just an object in the scene. If you were to click on it, we'll walk straight through it. So what we need to do to use an anchor, we need to go to Game Object, create an empty, and name it Anchor. Then we need to add a component in the inspector and change that to Anchor. And we'll make sure that the animation for the anchor is sit. We also need to add a tap handler. And then in addition to that, we also need to add a box collider. We need to make sure that the box collider is set to trigger. Now we need to position our anchor. So let's just make sure that's in a spot that we want it. You can change the view here. Once we've got that all positioned nicely, just make sure that that's upright. There we go. That looks like it's in a decent spot. You can tell where it's kind of sitting by that little green box that's highlighted. Once you're happy with the position, you can put that in with the bar stool and that'll make that as a part of the prefab. So then when we press play again, I'm just loading that up now. Go to our game mode. When we walk around, we can still walk around our scene, but when we click our stool, we can now sit on our stool. And that's it for anchors. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.